In this video, I want to show you all how to enter a historic event that's not a hurricane. So in the previous video, I showed you how to add Hurricane Ian and a shifted version of Hurricane Ian. This time we're going to look at an event that's a little bit less extreme, something historic that was also impactful. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this third option here, historical event using gauged water levels. So we're using that one because there is a gauge in the Charleston, South Carolina site. And when there's a gauge, it's useful to use it. So what we want to do here is we want to pick a time when we knew there were high tides and something interesting happening. So I'm going to pick 2021, November 4th. And I'm going to let that run through to 2021, November 9th. And this was a period where there were very high tides, king tides. So it's an interesting time to look at. I can give it a name here. So I can call it King Tide 2021. You can't have any spaces in the name. Here you can. So you can say King Tide in 2021, for example. And what you do then is you click this button, download observed water levels. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And what it's doing is it's accessing the NOAA online server, and it's pulling in the measured water levels from this time period. So you can see them here. There's different datums that you can see the water level relative to so that you can see it in a way that's meaningful for you. Here, for this site, it's been configured that the 0 point is mean lower low water. So that's actually all we need to do. I can go ahead and click OK. There are some other options if you wanted to use them. So you can add wind, constant wind, time series, or a map uses measured course resolution data. And similar for rainfall, you can use a constant. If you have a time series, you can use that. And again, map is this sort of reanalysis data. It's a course resolution gridded rainfall data. You can also change the river discharge if you want to. For now, I'm going to leave it like this. This was a historic event that did not have rainfall, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and that's it. You've created an event. You can now simulate the flooding and the impacts for that event. Thanks.